Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your GoPro Mission 1 isn't connecting to your smartphone using GoPro Quik application. First of all, make sure that your smartphone has Bluetooth enabled as well as Wi-Fi. Open the GoPro Quik and go to the GoPro section. Then on the camera we're gonna have to turn it on. Then swipe down the quick settings menu. Here, go to the second page. Try connecting your device right away by tapping connect device. Then on your smartphone you're gonna have to tap connect to GoPro and wait until your camera is found. But if it's not, then let's go back. Tap preferences on your camera, select connections, make sure that connections are enabled. Switch the wireless band from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz as it has a better coverage area. 5 GHz will, however, ensure you better transmission speed. And try resetting your connections to erase the cached connections data. Give your camera a moment. And then try to reconnect it to your smartphone. And this time everything should work properly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.